If you're a pedestrian who's been struck by a motor vehicle accident, it's important to understand your rights. There's certain limitation on lawsuit thresholds on insurance policies. In Pennsylvania, it's called limited tort. In New Jersey, it's called the verbal threshold. But if you're a pedestrian who's struck by a motor vehicle, there may be exceptions to those laws. There may be exceptions to those rules. At Grungo Colarulo, we know the law. We've represented pedestrians in the past and been able to get them compensation. I recently represented a young girl, 9 years old, who was hit by a motor vehicle. It was in a parking lot at an apartment complex. She was playing on the grass. Her ball goes into the middle of the road and, like most children, runs out after it and was struck by a motor vehicle. At first blush, it maybe sounded as if the child was at fault. But after conducting an investigation, we were able to determine that the person who was operating that motor vehicle knew that children always played in that area. She knew what the speed limit was in the parking lot. And yet she disregarded that and was speeding through the parking lot, even knowing that these children always played in the same area of that parking lot every single day. And she struck this poor little girl who sustained a horrible fracture to her leg. And we were able to get this little girl not only compensation for her pain and her suffering, but also for her future medical treatment. And that money was put into an annuity for her that is going to pay for her over time when she turns 18. That's going to help pay for her college education one day. And knowing that we were able to do that for her is the best feeling that we can get. Helping this young little girl who went through such a horrible situation and turning it into a positive. If you or a loved one was a pedestrian who was involved in an accident, please call us. Call us to set up a free consultation where you can come to our office and we can go over the facts of your case, explain your rights to you, and help you going forward.